Hey.
Hey everybody, this is Tazalon for Drop Top Tees, and we're here today actually to do a product test. It's very easy to go down the rabbit hole with different chemicals for your paint, finish, and tires, but every once in a while a product comes along that I think we ought to try out to give you guys a look at it and see if you want to use it for your own vehicles. And in this case I'm talking about a coating for your tire from Exoforma. It's called Permashine Tire Coating. Notice it doesn't say tire dressing, it says tire coating. When you're going to a car show or just wanting to make your car look good, you clean off your tires, and whether you use chemical guys, last coat, whatever, all the different manufacturers and providers of car care products have some type of tire dressing that you can put on your car, and it makes the tires look black and kind of wet and glossy. Some of them, when you drive away, can sling the chemical up on your paint and kind of mess it up a little. But that's a dressing. Typically those only last a week or two, and you no longer see the effects. This is a coating, thus it's called Permashine. They claim it'll last 6 months to a year. Now, I've researched it online. I've never actually seen a car that used it. I've seen one negative review on it and a lot of people that say they like it. So what I'm going to do is put it on Itsy, drive it around for a while and see how it holds up and what it looks like, and then I will let y'all know whether this is worth the money or not. One thing you have to make sure you do is have your tires as absolutely clean as possible before you apply this, because it has to stick to your tire. If you have any dirt or anything on your tire and it sticks to the dirt comes off, and then you're going to have breakdowns in the coating that it provides. So you want to absolutely clean your tires. I'm going to use the last soap from the last coat, and I'm going to start off cleaning all my tires, and then I'm going to have to let them dry. Once they're thoroughly dry, then I'll take my block microfiber applicator pad, shake this up, pour a bunch on it, and I'll show you how to put it on and the rest of the process. So for right now, you don't have to watch me wash my tires. I'm going to wash my tires, and I'll come back when the tires are dry. Okay, so our tires are clean and dry. We're getting ready to put on the Permashine. Let me just read the instructions off the back. It is important to ensure that your tires are as clean as possible before applying, which we just did. Having very clean tires will allow Permashine to properly adhere to the tires and increase the longevity of the application. Liberally pour Exoforma Permashine onto a block microfiber applicator, and they'll warn you that after you use it, the applicators, it's probably a one and done deal, because it'll form like a hard crusty coating on this, and if you try to use it again it can scratch your paint. So you use it once, throw it away. Thoroughly rub the saturated applicator into the wall of the tire. Move the applicator in different directions to ensure the Permashine gets onto all the cracks and creases of the tire. If any Permashine gets onto the wheel, be sure to wipe off with a clean microfiber towel as quickly as possible. You do not want it to dry on your wheels or on the paint of your car. It's extremely hard to get off once you put it on. Allow 30 minutes for Permashine to dry. Make sure the product doesn't pool or bubble on any surfaces of the tire by dabbing the applicator. Do not allow contact with water for 24 hours after you apply it. And then it says, note, for a higher shine finish, wait 30 minutes after the application and repeat the full process to add another layer of Exoforma Permashine. And they'll also say online that if you don't want a high gloss, you put it on, and after about 5 to 10 minutes you can take a microfiber towel and just kind of wipe off some of the excess, and so you won't have a really high gloss shine. So there's different ways to adapt it to the kind of finish that you want. I'm gonna go for a gloss shine because my car is black and glossy. Why not have my tires nice too? So here we go. The other thing I will say is, it really helps to have gloves on, because this stuff is quite sticky. Hopefully these gloves fit my hands. They're actually suited more for my wife than me, but I'm gonna make them work, because they're the only ones I have right now. I need to get some more. Okay, hand, you're smaller than you think you are. Hand, get small, get little. You can do it. All right. Okay, Abby, bend over. That's a guy thing. I'm perverting my daughter, I'm sorry. Let me guess, there's a cat. Ha! Shoot. Very good. It's wonderful to have fingernails.
I don't have fingernails. Oh.
Well, I have plastic gloves. They aren't even latex. They're just like
there's where I put it.
shopping bag plastic
Where
gloves.
I put it. Where?
Eat it. Now put it in your pocket. Here. So, we are going to liberally apply to my microfiber.
Liberally.
Yuck. Okay. That's pretty liberal.
I mean, it's fine.
Now, can you get that microfiber? But watch what I'm doing. I'm going to go back and forth, especially because of the way the grooves are in the letters. You want to make sure you get all the little cracks and grooves in your lettering and the texturing on the tire. And again, you don't want it to pull up.
That
They
smells
say
good.
that one bottle is enough for about 30 tire applications.
Okay, why does it literally smell like glue or something?
It probably is. And I need the microfiber because I got a little on the towel. Oh, it's right here.
Doink.
Got a little on the wheel here. That's actually wet right there. That's not good. And what I'm going to do is do this on all 4 tires, and then I'm going to move the car to where the wheel turns about a quarter of a turn and get the little piece that I can't get right down here at the bottom. Okay, let's go do another wheel. It's really important when you go over the lettering and the texturing in your tire that you go in multiple directions to make sure it gets in all those grooves so that it gives you the best finish possible. Okay, oops, 2 more tires to go, and I just wasted half a tire's worth. As you can see, I didn't clean the wheels. The car is nasty right now because we were just on the Austin Creek run yesterday, and that was a 10-hour total drive, and down some roads that had sand and dirt on them. So Itsy is quite filthy. I figured I would put this on before I clean my tires, because I'll wait over 24 hours like they say and let it dry, and that'll be the first test up against soap and water, is how does it hold up to the tire cleaning. So now we'll wait about 30 minutes and see how it looks. And I'll probably put on another coat depending on how it looks. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. But we'll come back out in 30 minutes and check it out. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. See the wheels. There's a little bit of a shine. Looks like it's dried pretty well. I am going to go on and put on a second coating. I won't show you me doing that because it's the same as the first coating. And then after 30 more minutes, I will come out and see how they look. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes since I put the second coat on. Abby, before you turned the camera on, what did you say about the tire?
Looks wet.
It looks wet. Yeah, it does. That's the point, is that it looks nice and shiny and black. I think the second coating really helped. Now the trick is, how well is it going to hold up? Because if it only lasts a week, may as well not use it. You just use one that costs about the same, and you just spray it on one time and don't worry about it. But if it's going to last me for 3 or 4, or as they claim, 6 months to a year, this is going to be awesome. So we will watch it over time and post updates below the video and let you see how it holds up through multiple washings and over multiple days driving through all kinds of conditions, and we'll let you know how it goes. If you like the video, thumbs up, hit subscribe, and as always, come by Drop Top Tees, buy a t-shirt. Have a good day, guys.